The consumers we interview were very, very concerned about the sanctity of their personal information. And it's not even so much tax papers. It really is family memories. It's images that are coming in from 10-megapixel camcorders, from cell phones, video recordings of family gatherings, of great vacations, and keeping that information safe, that personal information safe, is something that is almost impossible to put a price tag on.
Some of the challenges of having multiple PCs in the home is managing all those machines, making sure the virus checking software is up to date, making sure the machines are patched, making sure your spouse is happy and get to the web, your kids are happy and get to their games, and you're happy and anything that you've got on the machine is safe and protected. Consumers have an awful lot of digital stuff. They've got videos, they've got music, they've got files they've got home from work, they've got school projects with their kids, and this stuff needs to be backed up and protected. But you know, consumers, they just don't back up their stuff. And that the advantage for the MediaSmart home server is that it's got auto backup. It takes that responsibility out of your hands and makes it just happen so you don't worry about it and your stuff is just safe. But it's not just about backup. This is about taking your media files and allowing you to use them around the home, around the world, wherever you would want to use them. This is about taking your stuff and making it available to you wherever you are.
Well, we've talked to consumers, and they're really keen about protecting all their digital media because it's sometimes irreplaceable family memories, images. Increasingly, high-definition camcorders now are just a few $100s, and those files build up really quickly and don't lend themselves very well to hard disk backup. So basically, you want to have these things where everybody can get to them, where they're safe, where you can expand the data to capture next year's hard disk files without having to worry about going out and getting stacks of independent disks that a lot of people have been doing up until now. So making that an auto backup feature that happens while you sleep, every day, once a week, whatever your pace is for peace of mind, that's something where consumers have been very, very happy to discover the advantages of a home server. You know, there's an amazing foundation that Microsoft has given with Windows Home Server, and MediaSmart technologies make it easy to decide who and where family members, friends can access content. But the amazing thing about these two technologies together from Microsoft and HP is that you can expand the system physically up to terabytes and terabytes of data. And more importantly, we've already seen some versatility to this, where new applications are being added, new ways of storing home video files, allowing a student to be able to take family images and music they have rights to and be able to mash them up into a personal family album or into something to entertain their friends in the world. So it's an amazing platform that we see expanding in many ways.
Some of the advantages of having a network-connected home server are that you can get to things from wherever you are and sometimes from any network-connected device. So if you have a media extender, if you have an Xbox, if you have another PC, any place connected to the wired or wireless network, you can get to this content. Some of that content could be videos, it could be pictures, and it could be music. But whatever it is, it's going wherever you are connected to your network.
You know, for several years now, comedian George Carlin has had a great routine about needing a place for all your stuff. And for most consumer households now, that stuff is getting bigger, faster than anybody had imagined. Network-attached storage has been able to handle a lot of it, but as consumers have camcorders that don't have storage built in, that have to be transferred to their PCs, it's really a place where a Windows Home Server Foundation comes into play.
The thing that's so compelling about the combination of MediaSmart and Windows Home Server are the extra stuff that you can do. With Sage TV, you can actually turn it into a personal video recorder, a digital video recorder, if you will, something that records your programs and gives you access to those programs any place in your home that's connected to the network. You can take your pictures, you can share them up on the web and get easy access to them. And of course, because this is HP, it is incredibly, incredibly easy to use.